Well, hi everyone, this is my review of the Amazon Basics paint rack for craft and modeling paint, and to cut to the chase, I think it's really good. And I'm not going to show you a photo of my workshop, it's a real mess, but I'm a keen modeler. I do little historical miniatures, but I also do some art and restoring and things. I'm always using lots of little pots of paint, of washes, varnishes, etc. And I needed somewhere to store them. And this has proved really, really good. Now, let's dive into the details. There are 52 1-inch holes that take the little eyedropper bottles that are very, very common in this modeling hobby of ours. And so your Vallejos, your Army Painter will be absolutely perfect for this, and a few other brands. It's not really suitable for the tiny little pots with the lid that flops open. I like eyedroppers all the time because you can just use a couple of drops and it's a lot more economical. So 52 of those holes, and then down the front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of the slightly bigger ones for taking these pot size, which I think is about 1.5 inches Vallejo. It's 40 mils, and you know the sizes, they go in really nicely. And also obviously you can put the taller ones in there, and I've got a little eyedropper in there as well. So absolutely perfect. You can load it right up and you can carry it around if you're working in some other place or you want to give it a bit of a clean. Oh, I forgot the paintbrush holes right down the side there. There are approximately 22 of those. I wish they'd been a little bit bigger, or maybe some of them bigger, but I've got a drill for that, so I can certainly make them a little bit bigger, and they go in the top there like that. Now, it came flat. There are 9 pieces of PDF, and the instructions, which were actually quite clear. I did read some reviews on Amazon, there's a whole lot of 5-star reviews, but there's a few people who struggled a little bit. Maybe they didn't read the instructions, I don't know. I found them really good. It took me about 15 minutes to get the whole thing together. No tools, no cutting or sanding or popping out or fixing up required. Just identify the pieces and then follow along on the instructions. So you start on one side and you put the pieces in from the bottom towards the top. Then you do the centerpiece that kind of holds the middle section together. This was probably the trickiest part, so just take your time. You've got to wiggle it around a little bit. Then you turn it around and you put on the other side, and then you use these little plastic clips that clip over the end and they hold it all together. So basically you don't need anything else to make this, but I'm thinking that maybe in a month or so, I might glue it together so it is locked into shape. Just a little bit of PVA and off you go. But the clips are fine to start with. So I'm really liking it. I think it's a great design. It's a great size. It's a good price. And I'm going to buy another one. See you in the next video.